Hi guys, this is lesson 2-1, Arrays and Area Models. The number of unit squares in an array of connected unit squares is the area of the rectangle formed by the squares. We sometimes just show the measurement of length and width. For example, here we have 3 columns by 2 rows. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So I know the area of this rectangle is 6. I can show the same thing with grid paper. So here I see 1, 2 rows, and 1, 2, 3, we have 3 columns. Again, I can count my squares, and I know we have an area of 6. I can also show it without anything in the middle. This is still a 2 by 3. So I know that a 2 by 3 rectangle has an area of 6 square centimeters. You can draw a rectangle for any multiplication. In the real world, we use multiplication for finding both sizes of arrays and areas of figures. In this example, we have used grid paper to show the area of a 5 by 3 rectangle. I'm going to write the equation that this is showing. An equation is a number sentence. So here I have a 5 by 3. To solve it, I can simply count the squares. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3. So I have columns with 3, so I could count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I could also look at it by the rows, and I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares in one row. So I could count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. I know the answer to my equation is 15. I'm going to label my answer centimeters, and because I'm finding area, I have squares, so I'm going to put my little 2 for square. Here is another example of an array. I can see my equation right here. We have a 2 by 30. Here is my 2, and here is my 30. I'm going to factor my tens. Watch this. I know that there are 10, 20, 30. So I have 3 tens to make 30. So I'm going to think to myself, okay, what is 2 times 10? Well, that is 20. Then I'm going to think, what is 2 times 10? Well, that is 20. And what is 2 times 10? That is 20 again. In this particular array, I'm going to add my 3 20s. I know that that will equal 20, 40, 60. The answer to my equation is 60. Today, you learned arrays and area models.